Have you ever felt like time is slipping through your fingers? Like no matter how much you plan, the day just disappears? Today's story will change the way you look at time forever. There was once a young boy named Ali. He lived in a small town and had big dreams. He wanted to become successful, rich, and respected. But there was one problem. Ali loved wasting time. Every morning he would wake up late, scroll on his phone, and say, "I'll start tomorrow." Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. His dreams stayed dreams. One day, Ali met an old man sitting in a park. The old man looked calm, peaceful, and wise. Curious, Ali asked him, "Sir, what is the secret to success?" The old man smiled and handed him a small notebook. On the first page, it said, "Time is life. Whoever wastes time, wastes life." Ali didn't understand. He asked, "But how can time change my life?" The old man replied, "Every second you spend is a seed. Use it wisely and it will grow into success. Waste it, and it will disappear forever." That night, Ali couldn't sleep. He kept thinking about those words. The next morning, for the first time, he woke up early. Instead of using his phone, he started planning his day. At first, it was difficult. He felt lazy. He wanted to quit. But he remembered the old man's words, "Time is life." So he kept going. Days passed, then weeks. Slowly, things began to change. Ali became more focused. He started learning new skills, working harder, and using every hour with purpose. After 1 year, Ali's life was completely different. He was no longer the boy who wasted time. He had become disciplined, confident, and successful. One day, he returned to the same park, hoping to thank the old man. But the man was gone. Instead, Ali found the same notebook lying on the bench. This time, he opened the last page. It said, "Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from how you use your time." At that moment, Ali realized something powerful. Time was the real secret. And now, let me ask you, how are you using your time? Are you investing it or wasting it? Because the truth is, every second you lose will never come back. Time doesn't wait. It doesn't stop. It keeps moving whether you act or not. So start today. Not tomorrow. Not later. Right now. Use your time wisely. Build your dreams step by step. Stay consistent. Stay focused. Because in the end, success is not about talent. It's about time. And those who respect time become unstoppable.